What's going on, guys? Blazing Tech. Been really excited to bring you guys this video. Probably one of the coolest things about my 2001 NB SE Mazda MX-5 is obviously British Racing Green is awesome, but something that I think makes this car really stand out is the Nardi wood trim touches that come standard with the car. What that includes is the Nardi steering wheel, the Nardi shift knob, the wood accented e-brake, and then the wood trimmed interior bits. But as you can see here, for a lot of people, they don't make this stuff new anymore. You couldn't get the steering wheel, but what should be accessible, in my opinion, is the shift knob. Now in comes this amazing company called Black Veil Fabrication. Now, he calls this his classic knob. And as you can see here, if you were none the wiser, this looks exactly like the Nardi shift knob that we all know and love. The best thing about this knob, in my opinion, is that he personally engraves the shift pattern. Now, if you have a 6-speed NB MX-5, you would be hard-pressed to find even a plastic shift knob, any shift knob at all, that comes standard with the shift pattern on the knob. So this one, not only does it look great in my SE, I mean, you can look at that color right there. It is just amazing, guys, and the quality is just up there too. It's got my shift pattern intact, so that way, if I ever had to let anybody drive it or anything like that, they'd know what they're doing. And it is just gorgeous, you guys. And it just goes so well with the motif of the Nardi package on my 2001 special edition. And what I think the best thing about this knob is that anybody with any Miata, with any shift pattern, you can have a wood trim shift knob in your car. And the quality is just really exceptional. I did a pretty lengthy unboxing video of the knob. He also does high quality e-brakes as well that are wood. He's working on a lot of stuff, you guys. I've talked to the owner personally. Very, very good open line of communication. The quality that he does is incredible. He does shift knobs. He does a lot of different things. You should definitely check out their website. I'm going to link that down below. But that shift knob, you guys, just looks incredible. This is a weighted shift knob. It comes in at about 250 grams, which is a little heavier than the original Nardi. I'll give you that figure here. But guys, these throws are very, very confident at 240 grams, or excuse me, 250 grams. I was a little bit on the fence to put it into my car, but I drove it and oh my goodness, guys, 250 grams. It should have come from the factory with that weight. All right, guys, so these knobs are available right now on the website. You can contact him. They come in a different color array. You can get a more natural tone. You can get a darker tone. He's got a Nardi, the original Nardi knob that came standard with my car. That's on the way to him right now, because the problem we're running into here is this. This is where the shift boot, the standard boot, ends up resting, I guess you could say, on my NB. And essentially, without having one to do any of the R&D on, his knob just sits a little bit taller. Now, that's either a good or a bad thing, depending on how you want to look at it. If you want it to be as like OE as possible, then you're going to want to wait a little bit until he gets those exact measurements, and we're going to be able to figure out perfectly how to make this knob most like the OE knob in terms of height. Now, if you've always wanted a little bit of a taller knob, as they stand now, you do get a little bit more of a throw. He also has shift boot retainers because he did all of his R&D on an NA MX-5. So as it stands right now, Black Veil Fabrication's classic shift knob, if you have an NB with the stock shift boot, this is what it's going to look like if you don't pull it up. Now, there's a couple methods of ways that people have pulled up their shift boot. Like I said, he has a shift boot retainer. There's also some method that an individual used a spring to keep the shift knob taut, or excuse me, the shift boot taut at all times to compensate for a little bit taller of a knob. So again, this knob, as it stands right now, the throws are going to be longer. Now, take that as you will. For some people, that'll be great. For others, maybe not. And like I said, he has on his way to him an 01 SE Nardi shift knob, mine, that I sent to him so he can do the R&D and we can get those exact measurements, because this is great. Don't get me wrong. If you want a little bit longer throws or you have an aftermarket shift boot, awesome. I really think that this knob, if it was able to compensate or for this little gap that the original, the OEM Nardi accounts for, it would be absolutely perfect. This knob, you guys, you would not regret it. It is an amazing, amazing commission of art. I highly, highly recommend it. It's worth every single penny. Thanks for watching, guys. Blazing Tech, and we will catch you on the next one.